reka nkwisurize nanone wowe ukomeje gukurikira Brown Magazine rero aka kanya ndagira ngo nkubite nanone update zindi uko zigenda zingeraho nziguhereza. Ugomba kugira ngo umenye ibigezweho hano hanze, wowe uri aho ngaho mu rugo. Nanone niyo mpamvu mbagira ngo nkugezeho uko ibintu bimeze hanze, amakuru agezweho. Murabizi ko icyambere ari amakuru. Mu gihe rero ibihugu byinshi hirya no hino ku isi bagenda bavuga ngo ni ukuguma mu rugo, bavuga ngo stay at home, aka kanya rero ndagira ngo nkwereke video yasohowe n'icyogajuru, video yasohowe na Starite yerekana neza ukuntu ibihugu hirya no hino ku isi bikomeje kugenda byubahiriza amabwiriza yo kuguma mu rugo. Ese bari kubyubahiriza? Iyi ni video yafashwe n'icyogajuru, nta muntu wari ubizi ngo bimeze bite. Ni video yafashwe n'icyogajuru mu mijyi itandukanye hirya no hino. Ndagira ngo nkwereke rero uko ibintu bimeze. Ubu ngubu ndabizi ukeneye uri aho ngaho mu nzu, ariko ukeneye kumenya ngo ese New York muri Amerika bimeze bite, California bimeze bite, ukeneye kumenya ngo Paris mu Bufaransa byifashe bite, ukeneye kumenya ngo Berlin muri Germany byifashe bite, ukeneye kumenya ngo muri Italy, Rome muri Italy bimeze bite, ukeneye kumenya ngo London mu Bwongereza bimeze bite. So iyi ni video igiye kukwereka ngo ese bimeze bite hirya no hino ku isi, ese abaturage bari kubahiriza amabwiriza yo kuguma mu rugo. Iyi ni video ugiye kureba, ifite hafi iminota 3, ikwereka ngo ese bimeze bite. Ni video yafashwe n'icyogajuru, kandi urumvamo ijwi ry'umuyobozi Dr. Tedros, umunyamabanga mukuru w'umuryango mpuzamahanga ushinzwe ubuzima. Ari kugenda asobanura ibintu bimwe na bimwe. Niba abumva icyongereza muraza kuba mwumva ibyo ari kuvuga. Ndagira ngo rero nkureke ukurikirane iyi video.
Asking people to stay at home and shutting down population movement is buying time and reducing the pressure on health systems. But on their own, these measures will not extinguish epidemics.
La decisione giusta oggi è di restare a casa. Il futuro nostro dell'Italia è nelle nostre mani.
We will beat the coronavirus, and we will beat it together. And therefore, I urge you, at this moment of national emergency, to stay at home, protect our NHS, and save lives.
This is going to be one of those moments they're going to write about and they're going to talk about for generations. This is a moment that is going to change this nation.
Our future is in our own hands, and the choices and sacrifices we make will determine the fate of this virus and really the fate of our victory. We will have a great victory. We have no other choice.
We have overcome many pandemics and crises before. We will overcome this one too. The question is how large a price we will pay.
Reka ngushimire rero wowe wakomeje gukurikirana, ndagira ngo nkubwire ngo kwirinda bito kwibuza, wowe komeza ugume mu rugo, komeza ukurikize amabwiriza ya leta, komeza ukurikize ibyo bakubwira byose kugira ngo dukomeze guhangana n'iki cyorezo cya coronavirus. So reka ngushimire rero wowe wafunguye iyi video ukayireba, ntibutse kugira ngo ukore subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will be cool.
So we can meet in one inside. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up a new